Hey kids, it's me, Mr. Archer, and I'm back today with Blender. Okay, with our default 3D scene, we're going to break some stuff. With our cube selected, let's go ahead and move that up. Off to the left, we'll select our move tool, move it up along the Z axis. With our cursor at the world center, I'm going to go to Add, Mesh, Plane. Let's select our scale tool, click on this white circle, we'll scale it up. So what we're doing is we're giving our cube, which will fall onto a floor. Okay? So if we select our cube, go off to the right and select physics properties, make it a rigid body. We'll hit play. Boop, there it goes. Fell right through our floor. So we need to select our floor, also add a rigid body, but we're going to make this one passive. If we look at that again, boop, there. Now it has a floor to fall on. So go back to the beginning, select our cube. We'll be using a Blender add-on called Cell Fracture in order to break this into pieces. So, under Edit, Preferences, select Add-ons, and search for Cell Fracture. Now, mine is enabled already. So if yours is unchecked, go ahead and check it. Close this window. With our cube selected, go to Object, and under Quick Effects, at the very bottom, select Cell Fracture. This window will pop up, and we're going to leave most of these default settings alone. What we will do is under Scene Collection, we want to put all of our pieces into its own collection or folder. So we're just going to type break. Hit OK. See our cube. There. Now it's in several pieces. We see some flickering going on. So if we go off to the right, we can shrink our collection with all our pieces in here. And what we're doing is we're still seeing the cube in the center here, our original cube. We can poke the eye out. Now, if we hit play, nothing happens. Okay, so let's go back to frame 1. We'll select a piece of our break. I'm going to add a rigid body to it. Now, we'll go back to the collection we made for our break. Right click, choose Select Objects. Back off to the left, under Object, Rigid Body, and choose Copy from Active. So what you see here is all of our pieces are selected, but this one here is slightly lighter in the outline, a lighter orange. That's the one we applied the rigid body to. And what this did was apply rigid body to each piece. So that saves us time, so we don't have to go through each one and apply properties. But now, if we hit play, boom! Now why are they exploding like that? Okay, so what's happening is the information from the cube, our original cube, is still there. So if we choose our cube, right click, hit delete, and now we hit play, boom, our pieces fall. So we go to the very beginning, we'll choose our box select tool, and we'll just select our pieces here and make sure they're all selected. Choose our move tool, bring these up a little higher, we'll hit play. Boom! Cool. Alright. There, we broke our cube. Alright kids, get busy breaking things. Bye.